Oh, it smells like fruit.
Today we're gonna make a piñata out of a cereal box and Fruity Pebbles cereal. So the first thing you wanna do is take the cereal bag out of the box and then split open the box to lay flat. You can print these piñata patterns and cut them out. The download's over on my site. Tape them to the back of the box, then trace them with a marker and you'll cut that out with scissors. Now notice that when I'm cutting it out, I'm leaving about an inch around the edges of the piñata. This is what's gonna help us join it together and make it a little bit stronger. Now you're gonna cut from that edge all the way to the line. You're gonna cut slits all the way around each piñata and then fold up all the little tabs. Then once you've done that to both pieces, you're gonna kind of join them together like putting two halves of a box together, and then tape the edges sealed closed. Next, cover one side with tacky glue or white glue and then press it into Fruity Pebbles cereal. You wanna really press the cereal on and then allow it to dry. You can also cover the sides at the same time, then cover the back. This is what your piñata looks like. This fun and fruity piñata is an awesome piece of party decor, and you can even use it as a place card holder for a party. Plus, it smells like Fruity Pebbles. To get the full supply list and to grab that free printable piñata pattern, head over to my blog where you can find out more about Fruity Pebbles. I'd love to know how you would use this in your party. Now hit that subscribe button if you want to see more smart, fun DIY ideas like this. Thanks for watching.